everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial with Abby, my daughter, and Dave, the cat, has decided last minute to join in, which is fine. Today I'm going to show you a ribbon style. So I don't usually do these types of styles, but I saw it on Instagram and I absolutely loved it. We did it, I think we did a picture maybe 3 months ago. So I said to Abby, we've got to do a tutorial. So here we are. Are you ready, Dave?
I don't know what he's doing.
What is he doing? Now, what I've done here is I've got 4 pieces of ribbon. Okay, you can do more than 4, and you can do 3, but it takes a lot longer. Like, the more ribbon you've got, the longer this style takes. So I've just tied them onto a hair tie, okay? And I would say that's the thinnest ribbon that you'd want to use. If you go thinner than this, you will be here forever. But if you wanted to go a little bit thicker, you could, okay? So I'm just going to put this hair tie into Abby's ponytail. So I've pulled the hair through, and now I'm going to take that elastic and just do it one turn like that and pull through. So to do the style, guys, what you're going to do is divide the pony into 2. Equally if you can. I'm going to just place that one over Abby's shoulder. You're going to take a small section of hair over the top like that and then back underneath, and this is the section that we're going to be working with to start with, okay? So I'm going to take my red little ribbon, you're going to take it over your little section, underneath and back over again, and then you're going to add that ribbon to this strand. You're then going to take your next ribbon, which is my green one. It goes over the top, back around, and again you just add that into that ponytail. So to start with, you can't see the braid and it is a little bit fiddly, but all you're doing is just wrapping that ribbon around the hair so it goes over, underneath and back over again, okay? And adding it into that section there. You're then going to take hold of this section now, and again you're going to add a little bit of hair. So I've just kind of got my finger and I'm just going to take it over the top and back underneath like that. And this section that you were working with, this one here, just gets joined in to the big section here. So now we're working with our new section of hair, okay? So you're going to take your blue ribbon, and your blue ribbon's going to go over the top, back around, and add it into this one here. Next one is my pink one, so it goes over the top, back around and added over here. And like I say, you just can't see your work at first, so you've just got to trust that it is kind of all forming. Round it goes, and we've done that side. Okay, so next we are going to take this section down and we're going to add a little piece of hair again. So it goes over the top, back underneath, like so. And this little one goes over there as well. So now we're working with this section here. So you're taking that red ribbon over the top, round it goes, and it gets fed over to this side again. So you hold it there. And then your next one is your green one. So the green one again goes around, and you guessed it, guys, you're basically going to be doing this over and over again. But the braid that it forms, in my opinion, is worth it if you've got, you know, a spare half an hour to do someone's hair. So then once you get to the other side, guys, all you've got to remember is to take your section from the centre, bring it round the back, move that one out of your way for a second, So now you're working with your blue ribbon, and your blue ribbon goes around, over the top, and gets added into this left section here. And then what I'll do now is I'll do quite a few more, and then I'll video some more with you. Okay, so you can see that the pattern now is really formed. It looks really, really pretty. You'll know when you need to stop because my little strands of hair are getting quite short. And obviously that strand needs to be long enough for the ribbon to wrap round. But I really am going to go as far down as I can, and then I'm just going to tie an elastic. I'm just going to kind of bunch them all together, tie an elastic, and we'll be done. Okay, so I have officially run out of hair, so I'm just going to kind of grab hold all these sections here, and I'm going to put an elastic in. And I'm just popping a little bow at the top, but that's obviously optional. And there we go, guys. It's so pretty. Takes a while, but I do think it's worth it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed my ribbon tutorial, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.